So I'm checking on my garden today. That's kale. I don't know why it's starting to turn at the bottom. This is the first time I grew it. So, and that broccoli right there is doing really good. And there's kale. Let's see, this is red cabbage. Never had red, but something is eating this already. So I gotta figure out what I can put in here to stop it from getting eaten. And here's broccoli. And white cabbage, and then a tomato, a super something back there, a tomato, cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower. Oh, wait a minute, not cabbage. Oh yeah, I got cabbage. I didn't know I had cabbage. Oh wow, cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower. Oh wow, didn't know I have cabbage. That's good. Then over here I have lettuce, a cherry tomato, and a big boy tomato. And these are my carrot sprouts that are coming up. And there's a cucumber about to come up. Then back there's some colored carrots. I just planted those seeds the other day. And I planted some beets over in that corner. They haven't came up yet. And then I got marigolds and pansies in here. And then there's some zucchini. I planted those yesterday. And so that's what I got there. I gotta get some more lettuce. That's the lettuce right there. Then over here are my peppers. So over here I have, let's see. Oh, those are sweet banana peppers. I don't want sweet, but and there's a bell pepper, green, orange, and I think this one is, oh, those are cayenne hot peppers. Cayenne hot peppers. And then, let's see, there's some yellow peppers, yellow bell peppers. Then on this side, I'm not sure what this is. It's some kind of pepper, I can tell that. Oh, jalapeno peppers. Jalapeno peppers, and then there's another type of tomato. Oh, a yellow tomato. Huh. A yellow tomato. I haven't done a yellow tomato, but that's my garden. So around them I got marigolds. I'm gonna plant some different things to get rid of these bugs. There's stuff that's starting to eat them. So this is a wider picture of it. I got the two long ones, flat ones. And that's a flat one. And then I have the higher raised bed back there. I'm gonna do some pots because I want to do my beets in a pot. But so far, this is my garden. Looks nice. And then I'm gonna do gravel. I'm trying to kill this grass here, so I'm gonna do gravel and some paver so I can just walk through here and put a little bench here so I can sit and relax, and that's my covers for keep stuff out of them at night. So that's my bed. And then I'm gonna come over and show you something. And so over here I got my strawberries because I didn't want to put those in the ground because they take over. So I got my strawberries in this little pot here. And what kind of strawberries are these? Well, it just says strawberry. Okay, so I got strawberries there. And I actually got a strawberry off of here yesterday and ate it. So then I got strawberries up here as well. And let's see. Yeah. So I got strawberries up here and in the basket over there. And this is just a hanging basket on my pergola. And that's my strawberries in my garden. So I'll be sharing as it grows. Thanks so much for watching this video. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe.